Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are kicking off a series all about our incredible family adventure through Himachal Pradesh. This region is truly a paradise for summer vacations, especially if you are traveling with kids. And for all you road trip enthusiasts out there, we decided to dedicate 2 whole weeks to soaking up the beauty of Manali and Shimla. To make it a fun-filled adventure, we piled into our Maruti Ertiga with absolutely no luggage restrictions. Arav brought along all his favorite toys, Mom stocked the car with delicious home-cooked meals, and to add a touch of sweetness to the trip, we even packed a box of Gujarat's famous Kesar mangoes. We set off bright and early from Ahmedabad at around 5 a.m. We didn't have a pre-booked stopover for the night, but with just 2 quick breaks for breakfast and lunch, and some relaxation time in the afternoon, we managed to cover an impressive 1200 kilometers. By 8 p.m. that same day, we were already in Ambala. The next day, after a filling breakfast, we left Ambala and guess what? We reached Manali by 4 p.m. The improvements to the roads are incredible, making the journey smooth and enjoyable. We spent the next 4 incredible days exploring all that Manali has to offer, and that's just the first chapter of our adventure. As soon as we arrived in Manali, Arov's eyes lit up hot air balloons. It was a dream come true for him, since he's absolutely obsessed with them. To top it all off, the majestic mountains and snowy landscapes greeted us as we entered Manali. It was the perfect welcome for my little adventurer and for all of us. After checking into our hotel, we gathered for a family meeting to discuss our plans and explore all the exciting things to do in Manali and the wider Himachal Pradesh region. We decided to spend the next 4 days exploring Manali itself, then take a drive down to Tirthan and Jibi. Get ready for a detailed vlog on all the amazing things we saw and did in Manali. Stay tuned.